friends, welcome to CK Video. Here's an aftermarket GPS DVD player for Dodge Neon. It has Wins 6 operation system and dual-core A8 1GB CPU. It uses Samsung S5 PV210 CPU chipset and support CD sound quality and 1080p HD video. Let's check out the great functions in it. You can listen to radio by selecting channels manually or automatically. It supports RDS. You can select channels by program times. It supports band AM and FM. Let's come to the Bluetooth function. Connect your phone with the unit via Bluetooth and dial numbers on the screen directly. You can also answer calls on the screen. Download phonebook. And listen to music from the phone. You can operate on both your phone and the unit. Open GPS system in the main menu. Then the navigation map will show you detailed route information. It supports 3D map and voice prompt. You will never get lost with this function. The DVD player supports DVD, VCD, CD, MP3, and other formats. Connect your iPod or iPhone to the unit by a USB cable, then you can listen to songs from it freely. You can enjoy media files from a SD card in the unit. You can listen to songs. The digital signal processing systems and built-in equalizer make it possible to enjoy perfect audio sound. You can enjoy videos from the SD card too. There are many tools in this unit. There are car Speed DVR, folder, calculator, calendar, menu, clock, system info, and games. Come to the setting interface. You can set options of GPS system, audio,